core goals, the prettiest sunset, the self-care day, and also my attempt to kind of get out of my lazy girl era in doing a lot of things that are a part of my responsibilities but not something that I enjoy doing the most. So guys, I'm getting ready for the gym. Just a few things to make myself put together a little bit more. Three simple things and I'm already looking so much more put together. It's time to make some breakfast. Pepper has had her first meal of the day and my husband has left for his work, and now it's time for me to kind of just sit and enjoy and romanticize my share of breakfast, a hot cup of coffee, and just soak in the day and start fresh. I have lately been feeling really demotivated and I just feel like I barely get anything done. I was overwhelmed by the amount of things I wanted to achieve. I'm constantly feeling like I'm in a rut, watching time slip away without making any progress. I needed some kind of pick me up, and so I decided to get myself out of this lazy girl era that I am in right now. I am one of those girls who like to fight back, try and get myself out of that slump as a fighter, and so I decided to do something about it. And here are some things that helped me tremendously, and I hope they will help you too. I love to have a side of fruits for my breakfast. I think this is a very nutritious and healthy breakfast. Honestly, there is nothing better than having a warm cup of coffee on a chilly day. If this is not self-care, then what is? So now I'm going to sit and journal and I'm going to make some actionable pointers. Let's quickly talk about my goals and things and how am I going to pick me up this month. So one of my goals, I need to start working on my motivation since it is depleting so much. I really don't know which direction it is going. So it's time for me to kind of take control. So for that, I have just made a list of things that make me feel really happy and excited about. I have to show up for workout on a daily basis. I have to get back on shoot. I just love shooting and love creating content, and these days able to do that as much as I would love. So every Tuesday, as I always used to be, core goals that I would want to achieve for this month. I've kept it really small this month because I know that things are anyway very difficult for me mentally and I don't really want to overwhelm myself with a lot of things. My goal number 2 is actually something that I want to work on. I want to make sure that I train to become a little more extrovert as much as I can train myself to be expose myself to more uncomfortable situations where I will have to make conversations, where I will have to sit and talk to people. In fact, just yesterday I had a cute conversation with somebody and we ended up talking for almost 2 hours. Felt like I have it in me and I think I can do it if I try a little more harder. Maybe I am looking out for work here in the UK and so I need to keep doing that. I also want to take up a course that would allow me to upgrade and upskill myself. So these are a few things that I want to work on this month. So the next thing that I did, work on my routine. Now, one of the most important things, I have to train Pepper. That will again be a very big part of my non-negotiables apart from my 2 goals, which are my personal goals. So it's time to play with Pepper and I have been teaching her go fetch for a long time now. Now I'm going to just play with her, enjoy some time so that she can burn some energy. We have this chopped up carrots that are ready. Every time she gets the ball to me, I'm going to give her this and she is pretty excited. She knows I have the carrot and now she wants to play. She's looking right at it. We are trying different techniques to try to make her stay at home. We started from 15 minutes and we have reached 3 hours now. It's very important for her to also get a lot of exercise in so that she feels tired and then she can sleep for the major part of the day. Go! I'm outside my house for 4 hours trying to train Pepper to stay alone in the house. Dogs are creature of behavior. Specific schedule that happen on a daily basis helps them. I get to learn from Pepper is consistency. Consistency is the key. If you do something on a daily basis, it doesn't need to be something very big and then you will definitely reach success. Having lunch right now would be, I think, great for me because then I can easily work for 2 hours and then go for my gym. For lunch today, I have got Two things. Good thing is the days are getting longer here in London now. Bright and nice, although the weather is still cold. Trees have started becoming greener, and that just is so nice to see. It's just, I think, a reminder that after every dark cloud comes a silver lining. Okay, I can try and get my life back together. Like after every winter comes a summer season. Do a little bit self-care. I promised myself that I would try to read at least one book every month, and with the speed that I am going right now, I don't think I will be able to finish that book in this month. This is the book that I'm currently reading, and I am just going to sit and do like a good 10 pages, and it should not take me hopefully more than 30 minutes. Slow when it comes to reading. When I see a lot of text, it kind of makes me nervous. Exactly why I'm trying to read more this year. I want to change those things about myself. And in 30 minutes I actually ended up reading 20 pages, which is great, and I'm feeling so good about it. Is it snowing? Oh god, it's snowing. Do you see those white bits? That's actually snow. Wait a minute. Time now. I'm ready to go to the gym. Let's go. So I'm back home. It's almost 5 o'clock today. Is right now pretty angry at me because I left her alone for 4 hours. Is that right, Pebro? Are you angry? Are you angry with me? Don't be angry, baby. It's for your own good. I am planning to just cook something for myself and make some chai. I don't know, it just reminds me so much of India. It's just so comforting. Quickly prepare the dough of the parathas and put the chai on. So guys, my tea is cooking. Today I think it is one of those days when we have one of the most beautiful sunsets here in London. Look at that. It is so pretty. Blue and the orange from the sun. Look at that. Everything around me is so pretty right now. Look at this. Even Pepper came out. Pepper! Pepper! One of the prettiest sunsets I've ever seen.